Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use a very old joinery method that's been tried, tested, and true for centuries. It is not only one of the oldest joinery methods, but it's also one of the simplest. It has been used for military crates and boxes for centuries. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this particular joinery method to build a really cool toolbox. In my case, I need really quick toolboxes in different sizes that I can take on the road with me. And in this particular video, I'm going to build one that will fit in my camper trailer and or my truck, depending on the situation. It's got to be big enough to accommodate some of the larger tools at the bottom of the toolbox, but also versatile enough to give me access to some of the smaller tools that I would use more frequently. So we've got a lot of work to do. Let's get to it. To build this toolbox, I'm going to use 1/2-inch plywood. It's actually perfect for this kind of a project. I don't want my toolbox being particularly heavy. I've got my ends. These are 9 inches by 12 inches. I've got my sides. These are each 9 inches by 24 inches approximately. Basic box construction will go like this. Really, really solid when it's done. this toolbox, it's turned out really great. These are so easy to build. I can just use the handles on the side if I want to pick it up on the other side. These are nice solid handles. The top tool tray comes out really easy, and I can set it aside. I can put my really long tools or heavier tools in the bottom here. Lots of room for power tools, hammers. I could even fit my portable circular saw in here and still put the tool tray in. I've tested this up to 150 pounds worth of weight. That is pretty phenomenal for some 1/2-inch plywood and some scrap wood that I've used to put this together. In terms of functionality, the design works really well. These overhang pieces on the tool tray makes it really easy to grab it and pull it out. Also makes it easy just to drop it back in. You don't want to build the tool tray too tall. You want to make sure you're able to get it in under the handle. Now I realize I made the top handle a little lower than you usually would see it. You can definitely have the dowel handle higher up if you make your ends higher. It's completely up to you. I prefer a low boy kind of design, and I wanted to be able to put this comfortably in my truck or in my camper trailer. The handle on the top, of course, is even better. It allows me to carry it like a suitcase. Well, that concludes building a toolbox using a weapon crate and or ammo crate, as you prefer, method of joinery. This, of course, can be built in a multitude of different ways. It's very seldom when I go shopping for toolboxes that I find what I'm looking for. Usually you have to compromise on size or on the configuration of the toolbox. You don't want to compromise anymore. You want exactly what you're looking for. And the only way to do that is to go and build your own. This channel receives no commercial support other than the ads that are running on it. I won't be selling you different brand toolboxes other than my own. As such, it would be great if you went over to my donation page to help keep this channel up and running. Any support that you can give would be greatly appreciated. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you see that notification bell down below, hit that as well. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.